That is what we was at the top of. That is what we was at the top of. Hi there guys, welcome to another one from PJ Travels. Today we're going on a hike to the top of Mount Batur, which is located in the Kintamani district. If you're staying in Ubud, it's around a 90 minutes drive away. The hike to the top takes around 2 to 3 hours depending on your pace. And what you probably didn't know is that Mount Batur is actually a live volcano, with the last eruption being in 2000. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of made me nervous, but this was one of the most amazing experiences, as you will see from the video, and I highly recommend doing it to anyone who's thinking about it. So let's get into it.
It's recording.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Or good evening, wherever you are. We're just about to start our Mount Batur hike, currently in the cafe. Just waiting for the rest of our group. Fully kitted out, as you can see. Hiking boots and all sorts, come on. But yeah, just started and I stacked it nice. Nice. Start as you mean to go on, eh? Pitch black. Massive fall down there. Don't want to go down there. It's just 4 of us in our little group. I think I said before, and one guide. He's leading the way. I think we're 15 minutes into it. So we're half an hour into it. I think we've only walked like just over a kilometre, but it's all uphill. So it's hard work. We just went through a little checkpoint where people are offering bike rides to the top, but that's cheating. So yeah, just making our way. I had a t-shirt and a thermal on, but I got hot pretty quickly, so I took all that off. It's like middle of the night, but it's still quite warm. We're just at the top of Mount Batur. We're just waiting, as you can see. Hey duck.
Hey.
Above the clouds, yeah? Also, we both got hiking boots, which come in pretty handy, so yeah. There's a lot of gravel. You can slide on and stuff, so definitely recommend some hiking boots or trainers.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
That's a good shot.
Way back down.
Yeah.
Basically pro hikers now. Don't talk to me unless you've been to Mount Batur, bro. At sunrise, pitch black. You alright? So that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. I've left all of the information in the description below, but if there's anything else, just let me know in the comments.